Admission open. Kapetar Kemak Model Degree College, Ribhoi District, ka court admission na kebenta ke BA first semester, ka lat bahajan na kebenta ke samla pule, na kebenta ke jingtip ki babanya, pun hau number, praiwe, laiwe, pranot, sanar kendai not, lani pra lain not prasan henriu kendai san. Na ka jingya jonggapor bat kisnem, ka jingbun pajru kalanang bun, kisnong kitau ru kalanang roy. Ki jing don kam ki sinong ki thau ya ki jing ejan bat ki office sarkar ro kala nang don kam kat barang mi kisngi kani kala penlong ya ki nong yalam ka thany den bat ki we ki sinong ki badon sikri ka thany ban nang beteng ya ki jing dawa ban bu no ya ka tanat sarkar penroi nong kendong ni ka community and rural development block CNRD block ha ka te ka thany ha ka ni ka sin dawa ka ba manta lai lam daw MLA ka nong po constituency wa Meral Bonsim ya ka kanhun jong ki nong yalam sinong jong ki lai tili ki rat ki bakan thop ya garai nong telu garai mathan garai marman hapo gawi kanhun jong ki kabla tip kum kan nong telu mathan marman development forum ha ka jingalam jong ba Arnold Sengkli kum chairman kane kanhun galalit bania kendu yang menteri sarkar wa pe ekatran CNRD block UAT mondal hadin ga jinge kendu baru tu menteri sarkar Uba Meral Bonsim ubri UMLA kan nongpo baru pa Arnold Sengkli ubri chairman jongga NMM Development Forum kilong bagatany dan ngedi gatany ngabla bun bahagi sinong kabalakot syaki sispa hanyo pautli sinong bat kajing don jong kipai ba nong song sinong ru kala nang bon bat nang bon kajing jengai jong ka office ka CNRD block kabala panhap yeng ngedi gatany ha ling block kala jengai palat yaki bat ka jupen syam jenge yaki nong ilam sinong ban be sedu si ling ban pendep yaki kam sinong halor kini kijing e kalpan long ye kinong ilam ban yai budin ye kijing ya jong kam halor kijing dawa jong ki ban bu no ya ka den CNRD block
ki snang ki ban haba ne block
kumbalong mentani kumbakala de ong mane ka ling CNRD block ka de ka we ka block ka bahe ba ko boy ka block ketup aki ars ba laipo sat bo ka telik snong tilada pia ya ka ling CNRD block sya ka dan ru ka dan ka automatically kan wan hati sis pa nyo volta age tinda but kita isu gidi kam jira isu but gidi kita kam kendong isu naka hepotar juga belum tede nak kata tahu bangi kwa ngi dawa ngi kwa bandon no laga joka belum namar ba kibabuni ki area ba ladangin pihak ya kan umlik CRD block saka undan kibabuni kia gidi kibangan baki ki bodar site jadi ki asam bat bordar asam nakta ki babu di nyum selain pesan gidi na bordar asam di senjing e berwarna sebelum ni sabar tat gidi babu di bendong tak ada bagi kuat kan dang ngapala dia suka di kampang kebangi wan madrasi dong joko di si golong nak liang joko forum jeung dente kadai alor kondong rimba ni kuat ban krit lande ban tau no ya ka blok hari dan ban kumbangi tip ba ka undan itu katanya pelabun bagi sinong kaba ketop kabangat haya mata kadang don hapo joka uling CRD blok di kumbangi tip ka uling CRD blok hapo ribo distrik kadai kawin blok ka ahe tab hapo ribo distrik di ki babu di ki pat ki ba jugina thajung dan ki mat siun ki jenge ka jengai na ka jaka nakasnong ka bagidon hadu headquarters joka blok ki napelang jokir ba snong di babun ki sem jenge ki ma jenge na beta bat poy ta blok di na ta kata napelang jing bahalang kasuk kasai nadu ki yang ba snong ki NGOs ki senglong ki group baper ki sem jenge mat poy hote di na ta kata bangi kwa bandon no ngi ketu yo sorka lada long kabala ban bu no lane ban ai no ya ka umdan blok hangte po umdan ti ka kane kamde isu ka isu ko teman ha ka banangaliang UMA jongi iba Meral Bonsim ha ki arsnam mensua ila ya syakmat syapram ila ya syakmat ban budin ban keren ro syaka government yang kena kapam kena gelang jungi ki babun ki ba ang tay ngis neu ngimla klem da ay ka burong bat ngi yaro ya e ka ba ila yalam na gelang jungi ngi yai support di ngi yai bot di na banta ka pa ka mya jong ka tong ka thai ki jungi tenang ne syakamat ka ba ngi kwa ka long ba kumba ila de budin ya kan bat ka do kapor ka mana kaliang ka di na kaliang ka office jo ka si energi blok amling la don ka jingle inspection yang di Jakarta jingle wat di Jakarta tai habis na arajaan aku la don ka jingle wat di Jakarta itu kala susah kun betul di hadir kata hadir mangila show meeting biam ada di jingle kudu bat national jong kita han barok kon bat ki sim ki longsan ki diloy jong kita lai tili kirai kamu mut kanong dulu kamatan bat orman tili kirai tingila isyong nila ayarai put bagi mangi budin ya kan baik MA la elam kemat iswa ngini ai budin ya kan ngini ai don kat badi ngini kersan ya ka baik ko anok taka jumha jumpet ba te nakaliak jong forum gila yo ro banyak dulu yo minister in charge Sierra Develop i etimanda nakaliak jong ila krensyai bat ila ulang ba insa le insan nangai budin kat bala ya kan dia bat insan nangai keren ru bat ka government halur jong ka kapang nakaliak jong i ulang bat syukia na pata ban yo no ila ka jong ka blok kapon dan te ka ba ngimot kalong ba nakaliak jong ngim put takannya kat bat MLA joni kat bilong mat joni bilong juju bangin sanang pansgay susu ya kan khobor shau chimesta badon borok joni.
Today we had the privilege to meet the Honorable Minister in charge CNRD block, Shri A.T. Mondal, together with one of the prominent forum of our constituency, which is known by the name Nongtulu Mathan Marmain Development Forum, under the leadership of Pak Arnold Sengkli as the chairman, Pak Diren Kling as the secretary, Pak Matthias Leo Siem as an advisor, and other representative traditional headman of Umden area, to press upon for the creation of new block at Umden. As we have known, this is not new into the developmental push within the constituency. We have been pressing this issue in the past also, and I'm thankful as a local legislator that this forum has taken initiative. It has shows its utmost interest and sincerity in supporting for this issue, so that the government will take into consideration for the creation of Umden Community and Rural Development Block to be carved out of the existing Umling CNRD block. As the chairman of the forum has stated that the Honorable Minister have taken a keen interest, and as a legislator also will try to push this issue with the Honorable Chief Minister, in which in few days we are going to meet with him also to press upon, and we hope that the government in due course of time, at the time of taking a decision for the creation of new CNRD block, Umden CNRD block will be one of them, and I hope that the positivity approach of the government, as well as the initiative taken and the aspiration of the people at large, which include in more than 120, 130 up to 150 villages which fall under Umden block, proposed Umden CNRD block, and I hope they will see the light of the day. And we are happy today the positive response of the Honorable Minister, and we look forward that it will happen in days to come.
Umden area, accompanied by our honorable member from Nongpo, Meralman Shim, they came and met me today. Of course, Meralman has raised this issue in the floor of the house, and also he raised this issue with me also, and we feel also that people's demands needed to be examined properly. The thing is that the creation of block is a continuous process, and as and when government finds it fit, government has created. We have seen in the past also. This year also we have already inaugurated one block at Ribhoi district. So let us see how things go, because we will have to take this matter with the Honorable Chief Minister and also Planning and Finance Department, and then only we will come into a conclusion.
This new block which they are demanding is what name, sir?
This is Umden.
Umden block.
Umden, yeah. Umden, they want that this block should be named as Umden CNRD block.
This is the same block which was inaugurated.
No, last time we have inaugurated Mawhati block.
So this new block will be catered to how many villages?
As per their version, that it will cater around 70 plus villages.
The Department of Tourism and Travel Management, Lady Keane College, Shillong is now open for admission. Join the 4 years Bachelor of Tourism and Travel Management professional program at Lady Keane College, Shillong, and embark on a journey beyond borders. For more information, call the given number on the screen or visit the website www.ladykeencollege.edu.in.
Kini kikor komputer, kiba internet bador badar. Ni di hajan jongpi, hangne hadukan jongi. Hanong po town shopping complex, Harishan Enterprise, haka kamera kaba shispa iway. Refurbished laptop but desktop. Punhau number. Pra iway layar not sau pra sansau. Lane pra lainyo arnyo sawar drumnyo. Pidon kam projector ban peni film ne pidon kam projector nak bentai ki awareness program jongpi pon singi ni ai wai shapi pranyo laiwei kendai ndru iwei arnyo lai.